This is a FaxMan Document, a digital version of a faxed page. It's a specialized image format designed to keep document file sizes small while protecting the integrity of signatures and text. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's get the FaxMan viewer open so you can read this document or convert it to a standard PDF for easier sharing. A critical part of my workflow, having a universal file viewer installed acts as a quick test for FMF file damage. My exact recommendation is linked below. An FMF file is a FaxMan document created by the FaxMan Toolkit. It is a specialized image format used to store and view received faxes. Instead of a standard PDF or TIFF, many legacy medical, legal, and insurance software systems use the FMF format because it is highly compressed and optimized for the black and white binary imaging required for faxing. It essentially acts as a digital snapshot of a printed page, ensuring that signatures and handwritten notes are preserved exactly as they appeared on the original paper. Developed by Data Techniques, in Connorn, the FMF format follows strict CCITT Group 4 compression rules. The design of the file is intended for read-only integrity. It is very difficult to alter the content of an FMF file without specialized developer tools, which is why it remains popular in industries requiring a paper trail. A key design rule is that the file is single-bit bi-tonal, meaning every pixel is either 100% black or 100% white. This keeps file sizes incredibly small for storage, but prevents the use of grayscale or color. FaxMan, engineered by Data Techniques Incubators, is the application of choice for FMF. Opening this file with an unknown Windows program poses a critical security risk. Windows provides a shell-level view, but the data itself must be read by the intended software. We are testing the limits of your installed programs. Right-click the FMF file and select Open with. Test FaxMan first. If it fails, select another application. Compatibility is not always straightforward. If your FMF file will not open, do not worry. Alright, the simple solution is out. We need to isolate the issue with the FMF file. Move on to these essential troubleshooting measures right away. First, use FaxMan Viewer. Download and install the FaxMan Junior Viewer, or the full FaxMan SDK Viewer. Standard photo apps like Windows Photos cannot interpret the Group 4 compression in an FMF file. Next, print to PDF. Once the file is open in the viewer, select Print and choose Microsoft Print to PDF. This is the most reliable way to turn a proprietary .fmf into a universally shareable document. Finally, check for multi-page. If you only see one page but expect more, use the navigation arrows in the FaxMan viewer. Unlike some image formats, FMF supports multi-page archiving within a single file. If the FMF compatibility attempts failed, the problem is usually that the extension name is being used by a program you don't have installed yet. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. I strongly recommend FileMagick for its sheer power. It has the rare capacity to bypass corruption in FMF files and reveal the data instantly. That's a feature worth having. FileMagick.com. Grab the FileMagick tool via the description link now. Thumbs up and subscribe. That's all I ask. Thanks for watching.